This training module addresses a common challenge encountered when working with the Boomi API. The query token is not valid error. We will provide a clear understanding of the root causes and practical solutions to effectively resolve this issue. This presentation addresses a common issue encountered when working with the Boomi API. The query token is not valid error. We'll explore the root causes of this error and provide step-by-step solutions to resolve it, specifically within the context of component metadata. The issue arises when using the component metadata query more endpoint. The typical scenario involves a user executing an initial component metadata query, which successfully returns a valid query token. However, a subsequent query more call then fails, displaying the error message, "Query token is not valid." Several factors can contribute to this error. First, there's a single-use restriction, meaning tokens are one and done, and reusing a previous token will trigger an immediate error. Second, token expiration can occur, as these are short-lived credentials, and any significant delay can lead to invalidation. Incorrect JSON structure or missing quotes in the request body can also cause issues. Finally, attempting a query, more call when the initial query didn't actually return a token, indicating no more records exist, will also result in this error. To resolve this issue, several step-by-step fixes can be implemented. Immediate execution is key. Chain the query more, call directly after the initial query to beat the expiration timer. Ensure proper token cycling by always grabbing the new token from the query. More response for the next iteration. Double-check your formatting to ensure your JSON payload matches the required schema, which includes the @type and query token fields. Finally, verify your headers, specifically the content type and your environment or account IDs. To ensure smooth metadata retrieval, consider these pro tips and best practices. Implement automation by using a loop logic that dynamically updates the token variable after every successful call. Incorporate null checks to only trigger query. More if the query token field in the previous response is not null or empty. Finally, log the token values during development to ensure you aren't accidentally repeating the same string. In summary, the query token is not valid error in Boomi API calls stems from single-use tokens, expiration, formatting errors, or attempting to query beyond available records. By implementing immediate execution, proper token cycling, JSON formatting checks, and best practices like automation and null checks, you can ensure smooth metadata retrieval.